What'd you get, Calissa? Tweeber, what'd you get? Calissa, what day is it today?
It's my money.
You got money? What day is it today? Is it Sunday? Is it Easter? Huh? Oh. Careful. What'd you get? Let's see what else you got, sweetie. What'd you get in your little bucket, your Easter bucket?
Look
Look
put
it.
that back in your bucket. Calissa, put it in your bucket.
What else is in there? Open it slowly. Can you get it? Oh, we can't see you. What is that?
It's a slinky.
A slinky? Wait, show mommy. You gotta come back and show mommy. Oh. Can you turn the other way so we can see you?
I'm gonna open this. Another one.
You got 2 slinkies?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What else? Oh, what's in there?
What's that sound like?
Oh, candy.
Oh, wow. Let's see what else.
Open this.
You try. You are so funny, Calissa.
It's my money.
You're rich. Oh my gosh.
You got lots of money there.
Look at how much you have, Calissa. Count how much. Huh?
1, 2.
You can count it later. You want to keep opening? We'll count all your money later after you finish. Oh, that's
a
a
big one.
big egg. You open that one. You try to open it.
I can't.
Yes, you can. What is it? It's a bubble necklace. It's a necklace you could blow bubbles.
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, what does that sound like? What do you think's in that one? Ooh, money!
Money.
What else? Gianna, you're making a lot of noise over here.
More money.
What is it?
Purse.
It's a purse. Oh my gosh. Let's open it for you. Hold on. Okay, open it up. Hurry up. We gotta get to Nana's house.
Can I help you?
Oh, is it sealed? Okay. Look, Calissa, look what Daddy got. Look what he has.
Here, can I help you take that out?
Oh, what's that? Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. A mirror. What's that?
A brush.
A brush? Or is that a comb?
It's clear.
Okay, what else? Oh, beautiful. Is that a necklace? And a bracelet? And earrings?
Here, can I help you take it out?
What is that?
It's bubble.
Oh, Calissa, that is just beautiful. What is it?
What is it? What is it?
Look.
Look at the water guns.
This is more like a boy toy, but that's okay. She'll love it.
Here. Oh, you know what?
Gotta go find those eggs. The Easter Bunny hid all your eggs that you made. See if you can find some. Look under there, Calissa. Look on that chair. You see anything on that chair? Look on that chair. What'd you find? What'd you find? That's your egg.
Here.
Put it in your basket.
Yeah, put it in your basket.
See if you can find some more. He hid them all over the house. See if you can find some more. What about on the other chair? You see any? Look at the other chair.
Listen, look under everything.
There's another one. Oh my gosh. He hid all your pretty eggs. See if you can find another one.
Wait,
What?
that's for me? Okay. The other pillow?
I don't know. We'll see.
Just give it a sure.
Huh? Let me know when you're ready.
It's this.
What is it, Calissa?
Mommy's got to read it. Do you know what that says? No. That says, for mother with love on Easter.
Oh, that's pretty. Thank you. Thanks, Gus. Open it there.
Calissa.
Oh, wow. What is it, Calissa?
Whoa.
There's something else in there too.
Look at that, a sand bucket. Wow, you got another one. You're gonna have fun this summer.
There we go.
Cool.
Okay.
Who's that from?
That's from Gian. That's from me.
Oh, how cute. That looks kind of like your kitty. Oh.
Calissa, who's that for?
Yeah. That's for Gian.
No, don't pull that out, please. Don't pull
That's
that
for
out.
Jan.
You need to know whose name that is. That's cool. Who's that from?
Gian.
Calissa, hold it up.
Thank you.
Calissa, show me. Show me the kitty.
Gianna would love that.
All right.
I'm close to gonna want that. Oh.
Ooh. What are those, Melissa?
Let's see. Hold it up. What else did you get?
Chocolate covered pretzels.
Oh, I thought it looked good.
Joby.
Jelly beans.
You like jelly
What do you
beans,
mean,
don't
jelly bean?
Cindy, why don't you go over there and get a picture of you with the...
What's that?
What is that?
Sucker.
Uh-oh.
A broken sucker.
A sucker.
Oh, is that
That a
cute?
sucker?
Yeah.
What's on that sucker?
Okay, one. Calissa, look
Hey,
at that
Papa.
one. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
That's cute.
Your little ham.
That little dress looks so cute on her.
Did we get a picture of Grandma and her yet? or
No, not yet.
What you got there, Calissa?
Come on, Gianna. Now's the time to eat.
A box.
A box. What's in there? Surprise?
Judge.
Uh-oh.
Duck.
Yeah, look at his head. Look at that. Look
Look
how he
at
looks.
him. Look.
Look at the little duck.
She's looking for the candy. Look at that duck, Calissa.
Isn't
Look
he
at
cute? Oh,
Your TV was looking good.
what's that? It's a little bunny, huh?
He's
That's a
cute.
That's Buttercup.
Oh, how pretty.
And what does she
That
have?
looks
Wait,
like
wait,
you.
wait. What does she have on?
It's good.
Oh, you're bringing the babies for a walk? Is that Calissa doing that? No. You guys say hi. Why don't you guys bring that in the room? Come on, baby.
Sam, want some more ham? Some more ham?
Hey, Sam.
It's almost May and you still got
Very weather.
That's crazy.
Doesn't Hansel look like
Hi, Gianna.
30 years ago, 20 years ago?
In what way? 7 weeks old.
Think so? Well, he definitely is a Moor. I don't know, Dad or his dad. Uncle Jesus is very full in the face too, you know.
You got to hear you ate it all. Yeah, I like the hat. You ate it all?
All the time.
You're fun.
You feeding your cousin? There you go.
Come on, Sam, get your fingers out of there.
Give Melissa a bite and take turns. She likes muscatoli. Give her some of your muscatoli.
Oh, wait.
Let me do it. Do it.
Oh.
Okay, give it some. Gentle. No, get your fingers out of there. It's okay, there's already a fingerprint. We have Windex.
I can be you.
You have Windex there. What do you want to do, Mila?
You see your cousin?
Alright, you guys, nobody gets to play. Okay, Ben, she has another bite for you. Calissa has another bite for you, Ben. Look, no. See how nice your brother and Calissa than we've all ever done feeding him. Here, got some on your hands. Okay, wait, Calissa, he still has food in his mouth. Sweetie, you eat it. I know you like. There you go. You eat your potatoes.
Sam, you gonna eat?
No one
You don't want that piece? Okay.
Say, come in, Easter Bunny.
Say, come on in.
Hey!
Give him
How
a
about
hug.
that?
Give the Easter Bunny a hug.
Give him a hug.
He brings his own carrots. Oh,
Calissa, give him a huggy. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Hey, he was in the laundry.
No way. I don't believe it. And where's Sammy?
Do a little dance, sing a little tune.
Look at the Easter
What's that bunny song?
Sing the bunny song. Wait, Calissa. Want a picture with you?
Calissa, smile.
Wait, bunny. Thank you.
Ben, can Melissa get next to you?
Say Happy Easter. Easter Bunny's gonna get a swift kick in the butt. Ben, don't jump on the couch.
Hey, don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Go by Ben, Easter Bunny.
Say hi. He'll be nice, Ben. He'll be nice. Give him a hug, Ben.
It's my favorite show.
Yeah. Good job.